Well, look what came in. Hi guys, my name is Cheryl. I won a prize.
Won it! I made your prize, I made your prize! I won!
So I follow Kathrin McCarty and EverythingProof Beauty on YouTube, and I really enjoy watching their channels because they do fun unboxings of different subscription boxes. They're good friends on YouTube, and they often do mystery battle bundles for FabFitFun, I think. And they're always really fun to watch. And EverythingProof Beauty has recently started her own subscription box called Goldie Boxed. They were having a contest to, if you commented on one of their videos, for the mystery battle bundle, and by a random comment picker, if your comment was selected, you would win the Spring 2021 Goldie Box, which is what I got. I feel so excited! Remember when they released the winners of the draw, my name came up? I was just so excited because I was having like a particularly stressful day at work, and it just really surprised me when I found out that I won. So I thought it would be fun to unbox this with you and show you what I got. Pretty sure this doesn't look the most safe how I'm opening this, but just don't tell anybody. Jess, you did an excellent job sealing this. Alright, let's see what's in here. Ooh, pretty! Look at the fun wrapping. I'm gonna keep that for a future present. This is really pretty. I got a hat. I got a hat with some fun baubles on it. It's got a fuzzy soft pom-pom. Oh, that's super cute. Well, I live in Canada, so this is super appropriate. Let's just try this on. Fun. It's soft. What do you guys think? Well, I like that. I think that's really cute. Let's see what else I got. Some maple bourbon caramels. I've ordered these before. I haven't had these exact ones, but I have definitely had these candies from this company before. There's a high-end store in Toronto called Pusatari's, and they sell boutique type of candies or chocolates and other high-end foods, and I really like their candies, so these are definitely gonna get eaten. They're by Sugarfina. I got Fully Fire. It's a powder highlighter. Oh, cool! Oh, this is definitely gonna be my shade. It's just like a nice, like, champagne kind of color. And I knew this is actually something I would probably wear, like, as an eyeshadow. What a great little case too. It just opens and closes. Well, I'm definitely gonna get use out of that. Thank you very much. Let's see what else is in here. The Centella Repairing Mask. Sheet mask, so whenever I want to have some girly fun, I can use this for an evening. That should be nice. The last item I got was a jelly mask. It's got kiwi and uva, kiwi and grape. It's an energizing jelly mask. Well, I'm definitely gonna check that out. Okay, so that was my big prize that I won. Thank you so much, Jess. I love everything that I got. Such a fun little bonus to get in the mail today to see all the fun little freebies that came my way. Thank you so much. Bye, everybody. Thanks for watching.